today's episode of what I gave my loved ones for lunch. Before we start, I would like to say a big thank you to all my ardent supporters, those who like, who comment, and generally support and engage in my videos. I'm really grateful. My name is Dr. Wendy, and I love to share healthy meal plans that you can give your children or your loved ones for school, and you don't need to break the bank to do that. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, please do like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate that. Thank you. So the main meal for the day is potato porridge with enough vegetables and some chicken breasts. We already know that sweet potatoes are very sweet naturally, so every child will enjoy this. I decided to add vegetables so they can get some extra nutrient and vitamins too. And some chicken breasts for extra protein. Now over to snacks. For fruits, we'll be having apples and cucumbers alongside a fruit juice that was made from watermelon and pineapples, made by yours truly. And then for some sweet tooth, I added chocolate biscuit and peanut butter to go with the cucumber and apples. Some people enjoy cucumber and apples with peanut butter. You should try it. It tastes so good. Yes, it really does. For adequate hydration, I added in a not so cold water for them. I put in some ice and then some water, just to keep the water above room temperature a little bit. So this is me packing in their bags. If you watched till this extent, you're darling, and I'm so grateful for you. Please do like, subscribe, and leave me a comment, whatever it is. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.